Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, adventurers. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate lineup of rooftop tents specially tailored for your Jeep Gladiator. Are you ready to elevate your camping experience to new heights? From rugged durability to unmatched comfort, we've handpicked the world's top 5 best rooftop tents just for you. So, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a journey to discover the perfect rooftop haven for your next outdoor escapade. Stay tuned and check the link in the description below for more details. Number 1. BAMARnist Rooftop Tent Hard Shell, the ultimate solution for adventurers seeking comfort and durability on their journeys. Crafted from high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum, this hard-shell rooftop tent ensures longevity and resilience against the elements. Setting up camp is a breeze with its air pressure rods, allowing for a seamless setup in just seconds, catering to various car heights, including the best rooftop tent for Jeep Gladiator. Its polyester tent fabric offers superior comfort and privacy, complemented by stainless steel gas bars for durability. Featuring a top-tier 3-layer mattress system, including a non-deformable soft mattress and moisture-resistant mats, it guarantees a restful sleep. With ample storage space and LED lights for added convenience, this tent promises a comfortable and secure shelter in any weather condition. Waterproof, sunproof, and breathable, the BAMARnist rooftop tent ensures a cozy retreat for up to 3 people, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts year-round. Number 2. Overland Vehicle Systems TMBK 3-person rooftop tent with rainfly and tan base and green rainfly. Crafted with durable marine-grade 600D ripstop polyester, this tent boasts a 420D polyester Oxford waterproof rainfly and 110G fadeless gaze breathable windows for optimal comfort and protection against the elements. Its high-density foam mattress with cover ensures a restful night's sleep, while the insulated base and stainless steel hardware provide added durability. The tent comes complete with an adjustable ladder, aluminum crossbars for easy mounting to your rack, and a 550G transportation cover for hassle-free travel. Perfect for the best rooftop tent for Jeep Gladiator, it fits seamlessly onto factory or aftermarket roof racks without the need for drilling or modification, offering adventurers unparalleled convenience and comfort on their off-road journeys. Number 3. Goddity Pickup Truck Bed Camping Tent, a must-have for adventurous souls seeking the best rooftop tent for their Jeep Gladiator or any pickup truck with a 5 to 5.5 foot bed. Crafted from durable 210D Oxford polyester with a PU 2000mm waterproof coating, it shields you from rain and wind. Reinforced with 8.5mm fiberglass poles, it stands tall against corrosion and ensures stability. With a spacious interior measuring 63 inch plus 20 L, 65 W, 67 H, and a core height of 5.58 feet, it comfortably accommodates 2 adults. Its optimal ventilation system includes a large entrance door, side mesh windows, and rear mesh window, ensuring airflow even on hot days. Privacy is ensured with opaque seamed fabric and a full tent floor, offering a tranquil sleeping environment. Transform your truck into a movable house, perfect for silent nights under the stars. Experience comfort, protection, and freedom with the Goddity Pickup Truck Bed Camping Tent. Number 4. Wildfinder Rooftop Tent Hardshell, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. Elevate your camping game with complete travel accessories included, from LED light strips to a 5 cm thick mattress and a 2.3M retractable ladder for easy entry and exit. Setting up camp has never been easier with air pressure rods, allowing you to unfold the tent in just 10 seconds. Crafted with high-quality aluminum and ABS hard shell, this rooftop tent is built to withstand level 6 winds for long-lasting performance. With room for 2 adults and a child, plus 10 storage bags and 2 waterproof bags, keeping your essentials organized is a breeze. Enjoy sun protection, waterproofing, and breathability in any season with waterproof Oxford cloth and zipper-type mesh. For the best rooftop tent for Jeep Gladiator, Wildfinder has you covered with convenience, durability, and comfort in every adventure. Number 5. Rugged Ridge Outland Rooftop Tent, your ultimate companion for adventurous outings. Specifically tailored to fit Jeep Gladiators and other compatible vehicles, this tent comfortably accommodates 3 individuals with its spacious design and sturdy construction, boasting a hefty 660-pound weight capacity. Crafted for overlanding and camping enthusiasts, its robust aluminum base and 600D waterproof shell ensure durability and protection against the elements. Setup is a breeze thanks to its compatibility with rack hauling systems. Included are essentials like a plush 3-inch foam mattress, rain fly, and weatherproof cover for convenient storage. As part of the Rugged Ridge Jeep parts family, expect nothing short of top-notch quality and reliability. Plus, rest easy with a reassuring 5-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind on every adventure. For the best rooftop tent for Jeep Gladiator and beyond, trust the Rugged Ridge Outland Rooftop Tent to elevate your outdoor experience. In conclusion, selecting the best rooftop tent for your Jeep Gladiator is essential for an unforgettable outdoor adventure. Whether prioritizing durability, ease of setup, or spaciousness, there's a tent to suit every need. Remember to consider factors like weight capacity and compatibility with your vehicle. With the right choice, you'll elevate your camping experience to new heights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share for more updated videos.